Withdrawing money from Hotels.com to your bank account can be a straightforward process if you follow the right steps. Here is a simple guide to help you through it. Step 1. Log into your Hotels.com account. Access your Hotels.com account by visiting the website or using the app. Enter your login credentials to access your account dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to your account settings. Once logged in, find the account settings or profile section. This is typically located in the upper right corner of the page. Click on it to view your account details. Step 3. Locate the payment or withdrawal options. In the account settings, look for a section related to payments, earnings, or withdrawals. This section will provide you with information on how to manage your funds. Step 4. Enter withdrawal details. Follow the prompts to initiate a withdrawal. You will likely need to enter your bank account information, including the account number and routing number, to ensure the funds are transferred correctly. Step 5. Confirm and submit your withdrawal request. Review all entered information for accuracy. Once confirmed, submit your withdrawal request. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your request has been processed. After completing these steps, keep an eye on your bank account for the transferred funds. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to Hotels.com customer support for assistance.